And we arrive at Florana. So this part, I'm here with my brother. I don't know if he'll be commentating a lot, but he's here. Hello! This is him saying hello to you guys. I know, he might be kinda scary sometimes, but you get used to him. So, this is Ratchet Clank 3, of course.
Your controller can be configured with multiple button maps, including a map that places the fire command on R1. To change
Okay,
to
that
a
was
different button
pretty
map,
helpful.
press Start, then enter the Options menu and select Controls.
Thank you for the useful information, dear woman. Ratchet Clank 3 as I actually preferred it. Let me just check the options. Camera. I usually put this to the max. I kind of forgot to. Yeah, way better.
The jackpot crate multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time.
You guys can see Ratchet here in this game is way faster than in the other ones. For some reason. But I kinda preferred it this way. It's dead. Ah, how the hell did he hit me? Oh well.
To perform a high jump, hold R1 and press X.
They're giving us so much useful information that it's not that new.
You can climb a ladder by jumping onto it and pressing X until you reach the top.
Even climbing ladders is faster. And I'm going to buy the N60 Storm, a pistol-like weapon, and it's my favorite type of weapon to start off this game. This and every Ratchet Clank game. Wait just a second. Okay. It's quite powerful though.
You can reverse the camera controls in the Options menu.
And now I'm going to show off one of the new things added on Ratchet Clank 3, and it's only in this game actually.
Inferno mode. Your armor and wrench attack have been greatly increased for a limited time.
This mode only appeared in this game, never to be seen again. And it's kinda awesome. You can press circle or square button.
To jump between walls, jump, then press X in midair while next to a wall.
Either way, you're going to use your wrench. Damn it. Ball. Okay. Okay. Seems legit. I'm going to show you guys how to get the Ratchet trophy. You also get a trophy on the PlayStation 3 for getting this for the first time. Wait, where do I need to go? Oh, that way, right. What? Grab it, why did... What the fuck? What the hell? This was the stupidest death I had in all Ratchet Clank history. And I even recorded it. Amazing. Well, time to speedrun through this place. Though getting some bolts is quite nice. Oh, this happens again? Well, more XP I suppose. Okay guys, just pretend you never saw that, okay? This is kinda... I kinda feel bad for this to happen. That never happened, okay? I'm getting a shit ton of messages. What? What?
To select weapons,
You're
hold
fucking
triangle
kidding
and
me.
select an
And what the
icon with
hell?
left analog
What the
stick.
fuck? The game is fucking with me. I don't understand why. Why didn't Ratchet grab that shit? What the fuck? I'm so... This is what I get for playing video games and recording after 1 AM. For fuck's sake, I'm so pissed right now. Come on, grab it. What the fuck? I don't understand why this is happening to me today. Oh, and my ammo is almost running out. Amazing. For fuck's sake. I'm so pissed right now, you guys don't even imagine. The butt hair is unbearable. Freaking grab this shit. Why won't you grab it?
Ratchet, we have company.
Where?
Behind you.
Where?
Behind you.
Very funny. You having a good time?
You trespass on sacred ground. Now you walk path of death.
But, sir...
Path of death.
Okay. There's a skill point for not getting hit in this thing here. Not that hard, but I'm not going to try to get the skill point. Oh, amazing. Didn't even see that one coming. Whatever.
To center the camera, tap L1.
There's a platinum bolt here. I think that would suffice for getting hit. Oh, well, fuck it. You're failing out because we're into a boss fight.
Cannot be.
Okay, we walked your path of death. Now, tell us what you know about Dr. Nefarious.
Huh?
Dr. Nefarious! They say you're the only man to ever beat him.
Huh?
This guy's even dumber than...
Captain Quark?
Yeah, Captain Quark. That's it, Quark. You've had this coming for a long time.
I bet this is a surprise in you. It was Captain Ford. Well. I'm not really trying. Maybe I should. Okay. It's over.
So, Quark has completely lost his mind. Now what?
Just keep the mask on. He thinks you are his new leader.
Great.
Incoming call.
This is Captain Sasha of the Starship Phoenix. The President has asked me to assist you.
Hi.
I see you have located Captain Quark.
Yeah, we got him, but, well, he thinks he's a monkey.
Of course. Bring him to the Phoenix and we'll see what we can do. Sasha out.
Funny.